Analytics is a bridge between data, insights, and action. It's highly critical that we have analytics professionals that think very broadly about the insights that they're producing, what kind of actions will come from that. I'm Hayden McDonald. I lead the analytics programs here at Torrens University. We see the work experience component as being a part of the entire degree. What we focus on is preparing students for work experience projects, and that preparation happens at the start of the degree. So at the very outset, we're thinking about what kind of skills do employers need? How do we put those into the program so that when the student comes to work, they're ready to deliver at a really high level? We've had some great projects over the years, and one that comes to mind is a project with Suncorp.
I think this is a great example of how Torrens are leading the way in getting their students ready for the workforce and giving them an opportunity to experience and apply their studies in a real-world environment.
The actual project itself was to do with workforce allocation. Within Suncorp, they had a couple of challenges that we were brought in to look at from an external lens. The biggest learning that I took away from the experience was that innovation is a result of collaboration. So I sat within a diverse team, all different backgrounds, and that was our greatest asset. Different ways of thinking and being able to ultimately come up with something that's new.
We were really blown away with some of the outcomes that were presented to us from the students. They came with some out-of-the-box thinking in relation to what the proposed solutions could be.
I chose Torrens University because it's a new way of thinking. It is innovative and it's ultimately the next generation. Torrens University has opened up doors for me and helped me to find exactly what it is and who it is that I would like to become.